Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can make a table in Google Docs. So go to insert table, and if you want like more like rows and columns, you can just adjust it by dragging it. I think you have a maximum of 20 by 20. I'm just going to do a 3 by 3 sort of table. To sort of format the table, actually I'm just going to type some stuff in it first. ABC 1 2 3 for instance, and then you can like right click on for instance you select this part, so right click and then go to table properties. You can change the color of the cell, like the background of it, and also you can choose the border for like the table. You can also adjust like how thick you want the line to be by pressing that button to do so. There's also alignment here, a column, row, like the width and the height, but you can also adjust that here like so. You can also like just make this for instance smaller. You can also adjust the like cell color by just like selecting for instance this part and going to these three dots and selecting the background tab here and selecting the color for your cell. That's pretty much how you can make tables in Google Docs. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!